Good morning student. We will continue our chapter 6 algebraic expression, and today we will discuss the use of grouping symbols. Some grouping symbols are here, that is this one. This is called parenthesis. This one called bracket. Braces, and this one called bar. Bar we will discuss in our upper classes. This time we are using these type of symbols: parentheses, brackets, braces. Then how to solve? What is the rule of solve the grouping symbol? So firstly, always see that the innermost symbol we will solve firstly, then after outer, then after outermost. See in the examples what is the meaning of this thing. And one more thing, whenever we have plus sign between two grouping symbol, then we can remove the grouping symbol without any changes in the value. But whenever we have negative sign like this, then what we have to do? Firstly, we will convert plus into minus, minus into plus, and then after we will remove the grouping symbol. So some examples are here, we will solve here. See the question number first. In question number first, part first, there is 5x plus 2x minus 3. How to solve it? See, there is only one symbol, 5x. I already said when we have the positive sign, when we have the plus sign, then there is no need to change into this values. We write down directly. You can see easily also, plus into plus, plus, plus minus, minus. We already solved these type of problems, only we are discussing here in detail. See now, like term solve 5x plus 2x, 7x minus 3. Now nothing is like term, so this is our answer. Second example, see when you have the negative sign, that is minus 2x square minus x square plus 4x. Minus 2x square, negative sign, then solve it negative. See, this minus change into the plus because minus minus plus, and this positive sign change into the minus because minus plus minus. So if you see properly, when you have in bracket here positive sign, nothing change, directly we write down here. But whenever we have negative sign, we change the sign. This is minus x square change into the plus, plus 4x change into the minus 4x. Now solve it. Minus 2x square plus x square, it means 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 x square minus 4x, or you can write down minus x square minus 4x is our answer. See another problem. When we have more than one grouping symbol. Third part, 5x plus, firstly we have bracket, then we have parenthesis. 5x plus 2. Firstly we remove the innermost grouping symbol. It means firstly we solve 3x minus 7 here, and here sign is minus. It means we will change the sign, plus 3x change into the minus 3x, minus change into the plus. Now solve this bracket, plus, plus, so nothing change in it. Now see, 5x minus 3x, 2x plus 2 plus 7, 9. So this is our answer. See the next question. Question number second. How to solve it? See, our question is firstly braces 6x square minus parenthesis 2x square minus y square minus 2y square, then this. There are two type of grouping symbol. Firstly we solve innermost, means this one. Now see, before this there is negative sign, it means change, plus change into the minus, minus change into the plus, and minus 2y square. Now solve the like term. 6x square minus 2x square, 6 minus 2, 4, plus 1 minus 2, minus y square. Or you can write down directly 4x square minus y square. This is your answer, because both are like term. Okay, now see the next. We already discussed this type of question only in detail solution. There are three types of grouping symbol. Innermost is this one, then after this braces, then bracket. So now see how to solve. 5x square minus 3y minus 2x. Now see, here sign is negative, so it means change sign, and here already minus, plus 7, then this. Now firstly solve the bracket. Braces 2x minus 3x, 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus x, minus y minus y, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Again here sign is negative, so change here, minus change into plus, this also plus 7. 5x square minus 3y plus 2y, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, there is no need to write down 1, plus x plus 7. So our answer is 5x square minus y plus x plus 7. All the terms are different, so this is our answer. So this time we will remove the grouping symbol from our problems. Now one more type of question in this exercise. See, evaluate the following expression. तुम्हें कोई expression given है, suppose it is given n plus 12 और here given n is equal to 5. So evaluate it. Evaluate it means put the value of n here. Then 5 plus 12, that is equal to 70. So we just put the value of given thing. Another examples, suppose it is given to you 4a square plus 4a minus 2. Find the value at a is equal to minus 3. Put the value 4a square means minus 3 power 2 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 power 2, it means minus power, whenever we are taking negative power odd, then we will get result negative. If we are negative power even, then we get result in positive. So here we get result in positive, then 3 power 2, 9, plus minus minus 4 3s are 12, 9 4s are 36 minus 12 into 2. 36 minus 12 minus 12 minus 2 means minus 14, then this answer is 22. This type we will solve our answers. So your exercise 6th D now complete. You will solve in your fair notebook with examples. Thank you. We will continue this topic with some more problems here. Simplification 4a square minus b square plus 6a square minus 7b square, then find value if a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2. Then what we will do? Firstly, solution first. 4a square minus b square plus 6a square minus 7b square. Firstly do simplify. It means like term solve. 4a square plus 6a square. 4 plus 6 10. Minus b square means minus 1 minus 7 minus 8b square. Now find the value. It means a is equal to minus 1, put b is equal to 2. Then 10, a value minus 1, b value 2 square. 10 minus power even, it means plus 1. 8 2 square is 4. 10 ones are 10 minus 32. Then your answer is minus 22. See the second one now. This time we will solve the this simplification. If 4a minus 3 is equal to 13, then find the value of 10a square minus 5a plus 6. In these type of question, what you will do? Firstly, you will solve this equation. That is, in the 7th class you already studied, 7th class. Sorry, in 6th class you already studied how to solve these type of equation. How to solve C? 4a, this one variable minus 3. If we want to remove this minus 3, it means we have to add both sides plus 3. Then 4a minus 3 plus 3 cancel, 13 plus 3 16. Now see, a or 4 is in multiplication. If we want to remove this 4, it means we want to divide by the 4 both sides. Then this become a and this become 4 4s are 16. It means in this question we put the value of a is equal to 4. Now put this 10a square minus 5a plus 6. Put the value of a 10. 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6. 10. 4 square is 16. 5 4s are 20. 10 into 16, 160 minus 20 plus 6. This is 140 plus 6. Answer is 146. This time we will solve these type of question problems. Now next one. In this question C, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Then put x 1 y minus 2 plus 3 x value 1 y value minus 2 minus 2 x value 1 y value minus 2 x value 1 y value minus 2 minus 5. 5 1 square is 1 minus square even, it means plus 2 square is 4 plus 3 into 1 into same thing minus square and then plus this minus 2 1 power 2, this is minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 5. Now do multiply. 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 plus minus minus 2 1s are 2 minus 5. 20 plus 12, 32 plus 4, 36 minus 7, 16 minus 7, 29. 36 minus 7, 29. So now your 6th D exercise complete and do in your fair notebook with all these examples. Thank you, student.